Hi everybody, Miss T here. Apologies for not posting for many months, but things just got a little bit on top. But today we have a new toy delivered, albeit it's only a budget bandsaw. But I'm not going to do a complete unboxing. You probably know how to take stuff out of boxes. It's not actually rocket science, is it? First of all though, once I've unpacked it, I've got to make a extended bench, which is going to be slightly lower than the bench I've got. So I'll catch you again when I've got that completed. Right, well, we have basic bench built. It's a bit rough and ready at the moment. We haven't quite finished it yet. The top's a bit of old worktop. But I've going to have to reorganise a couple of things, like move the bits behind it, work out the final position of it. And the unfortunate thing is, we have some, right down here, we have some old roofing panels, clear panels to go on the conservatory roof, which were supplied wrongly. They've been sat in my garage for years. Unfortunately, there's so much stuff piled up behind, I can't get them out without ripping out. Well, you can see very briefly how much stuff there is between the workshop and the door. It's packed up with junk. Junk of many years. A lot of it's to do with when I was doing upcycling furniture, and it's all got to go now. I'm afraid it's all going to have to go up the dump, because it's no good to me or anybody else, I don't think. But there you are. They're all nice and level. Just work out the final position, put all the bits on, get it all set up. Probably might even do a balance on the wheels, but yeah, I think we can manage with it. We have the bandsaw on the bench. It's not bolted down yet. We've done most of the adjustments. We have a couple of small problems, but the one is the door at the top here doesn't shut because this little screw bolt that this screw goes into is out of alignment, and the screw won't go in square. It just wants to cross-thread itself all the time. The other thing is, on the thrust bearing at the back, there's not enough adjustment, and it's just still touching. The one at the bottom is absolutely fine. And we've adjusted the pads, so you have to excuse the camera shake. I'm here on this freehand. Yeah. All over the place there. Never mind. But yeah, but still it won't focus properly. There you go. Right, so the table is levelled with the blade as near as I can get it. Excuse this. We don't have a small enough square, but we just hope the end of that is square. So just doing it that way, it's square. So let's hope this is accurate enough to be correct. So the next thing to do is to try and bend that straight, as the Irishman said, and close it all up, bolt it all down, and we're ready to run. Well, we have the everything all set up. I've done a trial cut, seemed to work. So I'm going to do a long rip. Just do a piece of oak to get these pen blanks done. So basically here we go. Just a fraction. It's a pen blank, so just need to that. Blade, for all the people say the blade's blunt, seems to be working fine. It's quite reasonable. It's not the smoothest of cuts, but I can follow the line quite easily. Just need to mark out the rest of this. Cut that off. In fact, don't need to mark it out at all. Oh, I think I will, just so we can. Make sure it's cut in a straight line.